So here's a good example of the type of hard surface we might treat here at GreenThumb. But we can control weeds in driveways, in patios, paths and deckings. So let's hear from our GreenThumb representative Tyler to talk us through this hard surface treatment. So Tyler, what exactly is the hard surface weed control treatment and how is it going to keep outdoor spaces looking their best?
Well, it's obvious, isn't it, that unsightly weeds, things growing in the nicks of your block paving, in the cobbles here, it soon detracts from the appearance, doesn't it? And once they've sprouted, they soon get quite bushy and ugly looking. So we want to get those cleared away for customers, eradicated, and that obviously is going to vastly improve the curb appeal.
So tell me a little bit about the process. What actually happens?
They'll put the PPE on, they'll mix up the herbicide, our professional herbicide, and basically just spray it wherever we need to. Sometimes blanket spraying, for example a block paving where there's weeds in every little nick. Sometimes just target spraying, like on this cobble driveway, there's just areas where there's foliage starting to creep through. So we're just.
And is that how we would know, like looking across, how would I know that my patio or driveway was right for this treatment?
If there's any green foliage growing that you don't want there, give us a call and we'll spray it for you.
So what makes this different from just doing it yourself?
It's going to save you a lot of time and effort, of course.
Backbreaking.
We've got our professional products, professional applicators. You've not got access to the professional herbicides that we have, and your other route of application is just going pulling the weeds, which is backbreaking and not very effective because they'll soon grow back again. Once we've sprayed them, we've killed it down to the root, you won't get that regrowth from that particular weed that was there before.
Perfect, so it's saving me time and money.
Exactly.
So, is there anything we need to do before GreenThumb arrive?
No, not at all. Maybe just move the cars off the drive, obviously. If there's something that's preventing us getting access to give the full coverage, then get that moved for us. That would be brilliant. But certainly don't go pulling at the weeds. Again, if you take the leaf away with nothing to spray, we're not going to get contact to the roots. You're going to get that regrowth, which you don't want.
How often does the patio need the treatment?
It's very much a need-to basis. If you've got foliage growing through, then you're going to want to give us a ring to come and have another look at it. Different surfaces are more susceptible than others. The pointing between the cobbles here is pretty solid, so there's not much regrowth. We've been here twice before with a hard surface cleaner and applied weed control each time. We'll be due back in a month or so, and we would probably just give that bit of foliage attention. This one will only need a bit of target spraying because there's not much foliage growing. But whenever you can see green foliage growing and sprouting, that's the time to ring up and book another treatment, or just be on with the programme with the hard surface cleaner treatment, and each time we come with that, we'll give it attention.
Perfect. Should we see you in action?
Let's crack on.
Let's go. So there you have it. Our hard surface weed control service keeps those unwanted weeds at bay, protects your outdoor areas from long-term damage and keeps everything looking tidy. Don't let weeds ruin the look of your garden paths, patios, driveways or decking. Book your treatment online today and let GreenThumb help keep your outdoor areas looking as good as new.